Hello, shamanettes. It's Suzanne, the beauty shaman. It's after the holidays, and now is when we all feel the pinch of spending too much. Given that, let's focus on makeup essentials on a budget. What that means to me is using good products that don't break the bank, but give you the look you want. My model today is Tamara, and we are friends here in Ecuador. After we were finished, I asked her what she liked about the makeup and how it made her feel, so that you can get an idea of where we're going in the video.
I'm really happy with this makeup style. It makes me feel like I've got autumn and winter colors, but bright, and I think it really enhances my eyes and my smile.
Because the temperature here is cold, I first add a hydrating moisturizer that doesn't break the bank. I'm using Finlay & Green, a deeply hydrating moisturizer made for every stage of menopause. Then I add a medium coverage foundation with either my fingers or a brush, making sure it is evenly distributed. A good budget-friendly foundation is e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. It's great for mature skin and it blends well. It's important to stick to light or medium coverage and then use either a concealer on age spots and darkness or skip the concealer and layer the foundation under your eyes for extra coverage. Then you spend less on products and still get the extra oomph around your trouble spots. How you fill in your brows depends entirely on how thick and shaped they already are. Tamara's brows need a little filling in and some brow gel to open her eyes up but look natural. So I'm using Prime Prometics pencil and brow gel, both in Silver Queen. It's easy to use, stays on, and makes a big difference. Many times if you're in a rush, you can brush your eyebrows up with brow gel, add mascara, and call it good. As a devoted minimalist, being sure I fill in the eyebrows makes anyone look polished without having to do or spend a lot. Cream eyeshadows are my favorite on mature skin because they're so easy to apply, stay on, and don't crease. A budget-friendly option in a sea of never-ending powder shadows that won't stay put. The color I use on Tamara is Nebula, and it has become one of my favorites because it looks great on nearly everyone and can be quickly applied around the eye area without looking overdone. As far as eyeliners go, be sure to buy a soft, easy to apply and blend liner like Prime Eyes Glide Eyeliner. It's water repellent, smudge proof, and has long-lasting color. I put it between her lashes and make the outer liner thicker than the inner liner and then blend it with a soft brush. I also like to put it in the waterline for more impact. To save money on eyeliners, buy one color you would use every day and one color when you are feeling playful. On Tamara, I used Mocha Shimmer on the upper eyeline and Smoky on the lower and in her waterline. The idea is to use only what you need and not shop for excess products that either you won't use or are poor quality and end up in the trash. I love blush. It brightens up your whole face like nothing else and can be used in many cases as both blush and lipstick. For Tamara, I'm using the MAC shade Groovy. It's a bright pink coral, high on her cheekbone and blending it up on her brow bone. Because this is a more minimalist look, feel free to add in other aspects to your makeup that make you feel great. That's one of the things I love about makeup, is that it's personal and individualized and you can do what feels best to you. For a quick minimalist trick, toss on blush, lipstick, and mascara with a bright sweater and everyone thinks you are a genius. Because it's winter, we are warming everything up with corals. I'm using the Glow Up bundle called Giving Guava by e.l.f. that comes with a lipstick, gloss, and liner. First I apply the lipstick, then I use a lip liner and draw the line a little outside her natural lip line to make her lips look a little fuller. Then I toss a little gloss on top. Okay, if using a liner and lipstick and gloss doesn't feel very minimalistic, pick and choose what seems right for you. To maximize your budget, I like to shop bundles, as in this case with e.l.f. Prime Prometics also offers bundles, as do many other lines. Minimalism in the winter requires using the right shades with reliable products that stay on your face and look good. The trick is to add color in the right spots to bring about the most impact. Just because we're budget conscious after the holidays doesn't mean we have to skimp on looking our best. Tamara loved this look, and especially the fact that it made use of winter colors in an easy-to-use way. Have a wonderful January, and thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.